Hi, so I've been having a mental breakdown for the past hour and crying. Or if I finally stopped, see, I'm not crying anymore. But I don't know why I feel like cleaning my room and getting my life together, even though it's never gonna be. So I basically took out all of this out into my bed, and I'm gonna fold it. And then I'm gonna put it back there because it was a mess. And then I'm gonna clean all this. Yes, I'm watching Netflix. And then I'm gonna clean all the freaking closet. And then I'm gonna clean all these. As you can see, I already drank my coffee. And I'm gonna be up all night, okay? All fucking night doing this shit. So I kind of feel like throwing everything out, and I guess that's what I'm doing, as you can see. So yeah, let's see how this ends. I probably bought this when I was like 14. I'm gonna keep it. I don't know if I hate it. Yeah, I hate it. I'm just gonna trash it. I'm tired already. How do people clean? I don't get it. So I'm gonna take my closet out. Let's do it.
So you can send my eternal soul to heaven. Oh boy, she got whipped through. Time to be like this. Hey, sexy! You wanna get freaky with me? Oh, what?
Come, I'll be ready for the Puerto Rican race war.
I see the light. I'm going target. All right, then I want a fair contest. As long as Kevin wins. Let's contest. You know me so well. I think I'm starting to like Christmas. Cream size is empty, which is extremely unhealthy. Most doctors say.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
No. I know this trick.
Okay, so I just moved my bed, everything that was in the sides. Basically, I moved all of this. So I think I deserve a break. Definitely. So it's day 2 and my room is still a mess. It's different, but it's still a mess. So it seems like this is gonna take more than one day, obviously. So part 2 is coming up soon. Either way, this is part 1, and I hope you enjoy part 2 soon. Bye.
Missing someone.